Hello, this is how we jive from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. This time we have brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max. So you can see here back of Apple Store. iPhone is right in here. Lovely pack. To take this out from here. Beautiful. Look at this box of iPhone 17 Pro Max. iPhone is right in here, white beautiful box. Here Apple logo. Lovely 3 camera module. iPhone here right in, lovely. Wow. All the information here, the sticker and other things is right in. Very sleek box as always from Apple. So in this case, without any further ado, I'm gonna tear apart from the top. So here we go. I'm taking off from this side. Wow, lovely. Okay guys, without any further ado, let's take this box out. Slowly, here we go. Wow. Beautiful color. Wow, magnificent. You can see one paper here covered the display. The body, magnificent color. I think is one of the best color for iPhone 17 Pro Max, because orange is ugly. This is blue version, doesn't have no physical SIM. This is the American version, eSIM only. So we'll go to the box. What we have inside here, the data cable, you can see, lovely prepared setup here. Then some Apple sticker here, some manual, nothing important. No more charger. For many years we don't have any charger. Okay, here we go, the phone guys. You can see, lovely, beautiful. Obviously, you know we have 348 megapixel camera here, the sensor, flash. So without any further ado, I take this off. Wow. Beautiful. Lovely skin. Skin is the same as iPhone 16 Pro Max in this case. The size is similar. Lovely. We have dynamic island. Bottom you can see here is speaker grills, 2 sides, and USB-C for charging. This button you can see here, volume rocker, up down, mute button, antenna line, and one new more antenna line here. This side you have power button, camera button, antenna line again. Beautiful body, very lovely. It's premium. I think only blue version of iPhone looks more premium than the other orange and silver, but is you have to be very careful because you can scratch any moment. You will have different problem. So without any further ado, I hit the power button. Here we go. Wow, beautiful Apple logo here. Magnificent. Wow. Hello, this is iOS 26. It comes with iOS 26 directly, so you don't need to upgrade or install. So let's see here. Beautiful. This back side here, this is all unified aluminum body. So it's rare. Apple returned back from titanium to aluminum. So this is little bit rare for Apple. But although I feel very premium, this blue version of phone. Here you have glass backside. Maybe Apple says because of the heating purpose they put aluminum or something. I'm not sure about that totally. But to be honest, sometimes the titanium version would heat much than aluminum, is true on that case. Lovely. So this is unboxing part of iPhone 17 Pro Max blue version. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can set up and many other feature, cameras, every other things comes with this phone. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.